Hi, I'm Eve. How many engineers does it take to make a bag of cement? More than you might guess. Cement factories are built, operated and managed by engineers. Cement, as you know if you watched our first video, is the fine grey powder that when mixed with aggregates, sand and water makes concrete. Cement makes up about 10% of a typical concrete mix and is what gives concrete its strength and durability. Concrete is the second most used substance on Earth after water. Cement is a critical part of the built environment all around us. So, let's look at how engineers work together to make this critical construction material. Civil and structural engineers in the construction industry are the main users of cement and concrete, so they are the ones that build our cement factories, which are operated by the teams of engineers. Once the cement is made, civil engineers working in the cement industry provide technical support to our customers in the concrete industry on the most effective use of cements. They are also involved in developing international product standards for the quality and performance of cement and concrete. Cement factories can handle millions of tons of rock every year, and that requires lots of machinery working efficiently to transport and mill the rocks into fine powders. The machinery in the cement factory ranges from simple conveyors to complex, powerful motors and energy-efficient mills. Mechanical engineers install and maintain all the equipment needed for the preparation of raw materials, the high-temperature kiln operation, and the milling of the final cement product. The chemistry of the cement already exists in the rock we use. It's the job of the chemical engineers to ensure that the manufacturing process works effectively to rearrange these natural minerals to form new clinker compounds that are the precursors for cement. Chemical engineers are responsible for the manufacturing process, from the chemistry of the inputs to the high-temperature transformation of the raw materials into high-quality clinker at flame temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Celsius. And, of course, the performance of the finished cement powder. Like all modern factories, electrical circuits and powerful computers are required to handle and coordinate the manufacturing process in cement factories. Integrating all the equipment and sensors for monitoring, sampling and testing with up to 70,000 bits of data every second feeding into the central control system is the responsibility of the electrical engineers. But the real challenge for electrical engineers is high voltage equipment. The cement industry is Ireland's largest industrial electricity consumer. A busy cement factory uses the same amount of electricity as 20,000 homes. We use high-voltage electricity from the grid, and the electrical engineers have to safely and reliably distribute it around the site, working with large transformers, breakers and motors, all of which are critical to our cement-making process. Throughout Europe, all large industrial facilities must operate in compliance with environmental licenses, which set out performance standards and emission limits for factories. The environmental engineers are responsible for ongoing monitoring, testing, reporting and the environmental management programs on our sites. They also have to work closely with local authorities and the EPA. After studying engineering in university, qualified engineers entering the cement industry are given responsibility as part of supported training programs, where they can drive operational improvements in the manufacturing process. Alongside the engineers, the other workers in the factory, process controllers, electricians, fitters and mechanics work together in teams to keep the cement factory running 24 hours per day. Cement factories are unique places to work. They're the hottest industrial facilities in Ireland, they have the biggest electricity bills, and they manufacture millions of tons of cement every year. So, wherever you're watching this video, at home, in school or your office, remember the team of engineers who made the cement in the concrete that is holding up your building. See you next time!